Alright, so here is my snapper self-propelled push mower. It's definitely seen some days. It's a 7800838. I'd say 10 years old maybe. Does not have a date on here. It does have the electric start. It doesn't work though, but just do the pull cord and starts right up. It's been trusty for years. Starts right up. Had it running. Was ran over once out at the farm, so I'm going to try to straighten this wheel out, clean out the self-propelled wheels some, and straighten some of these pieces out, get it going for you guys. There's a fuel tank right here, air filter right here. Here is the pull cord. This one will need to be replaced at some point. Also, this handle just had a plastic clip holding it up. It did break. I think I'll also need to redo that throttle cable. Here is the self-propel part. That definitely will need to be tightened up again too, or just a new one put on. So just kind of gonna go through all this and fix her up. This snapper, self-propelled. It has that Briggs & Stratton 725 series EX 190cc engine, 7.25 horsepower. Here is where you change the oil. Oh yeah, nice and dirty, so that'll need to be changed. Great little mower. For as long as it's lasted, the carb's gonna definitely need to be cleaned too. Spark plug. Oh man. Sat out at the farm for years outside. Kind of stole it for here in town and still runs first pull every time, so get it going for you guys. And here's a muffler. Tell it's starting to leak some oil also. Probably right here. Yeah, that's all rubber. Yeah, it looks like it's probably leaking right there. I believe you can buy these and just replace that. Get it kind of cleaned up. Just see once what I can do. I'm not gonna throw a lot of money at this. I believe it's like $400 or $500 new back in the day, so probably like $600-700 now. Was assembled in the USA, so has a bag. Lift it up, put the bag on here. There's 2 hooks. I think I actually just picked up a bag off the side of the road for it, honestly. It's kind of going to heck. Still not leaking any fuel like a lot of the snapper products I've seen complaints about. Just that electric start. That was a pain. Constantly had to have it on a charger. It's never worth anything since day one. Just way easier to pull start it. So if you guys have any questions or advice about this, definitely leave it in the comments and try to get back to you. Here's how you adjust your height and everything. So leave me a comment. Let me know what I can do to keep this thing running for a few more years, and thank you for watching my videos. And this is why the people so to sharpen the blade, you gotta flip it upside down. Use a 9/16 wrench, impact or whatever. Take it off. This blade, it's been pretty chewed up. To sharpen it, you go up until that point. I think that's the guide, but this one I'll probably just replace the blade on. Definitely went over quite a few rocks. Hasn't been sharpened for quite a while, so definitely should get some new belts for this guy also while I'm at it. Try to clean it up a little. Everything is starting to rust. rest on this, so just kind of, here's what it looks like underneath. And for 7-10 years, I'd say this mower has done a lot of yards, and it's also done very good for the amount that we paid for it. So there's the axle. Clean it up, see once what we can do. Get one more year out of it and call it good. Alright, so I was trying to find my spark plug set. I did not have a 13/16, but that's what it looks like that spark plug is. It's an NJK B2 LM. So 13/16, you use that to get this guy off. So I'll get that off and get a new spark plug in here as well. Oh, April of 2012 is when this was made. There we go. What do you think about a 13-year-old mower? Still doing really good. Snapper. Briggs & Stratton, 2.5 horsepower engine. Surprised it's still running that well after 13. Can't believe it's been 13 years either. So, just keep it going. Alright, and then with the air filter right here. Just use a flat head. So probably like a 8 or 10 millimeter. Pull this guy apart. This family's wintry playtime is brought to a sudden halt. I believe I have changed this at least once, but it's probably pretty. Oh yeah, it's really bad. Oh man, that's what sitting out at the farm does to something. Also a lot of oil in there. Definitely will have to take that carb off, clean it. They're just having fun playing. I don't know if you can see how bad it is. Might as well just order a new carb for this guy.